Looking to create a cozy winter wonderland at home without breaking the bank? You've come to the right place. Hey there, and welcome back to Aesthetic Spaces. Winter is here, and with it comes the desire to create a warm, inviting space to keep us cozy during the colder months. But who says you have to spend a fortune to make it beautiful? Many people think seasonal decor requires a big budget, but we're here to bust that myth. Today, we're diving into affordable winter decor ideas that'll give your space that seasonal magic without stretching your wallet. Let's talk about a few essentials. Start with simple winter touches like plaid throws, fairy lights, and scented candles in pine, vanilla, or cinnamon. Don't underestimate the power of thrift shopping for unique pieces like lanterns or vintage mugs. And if you enjoy a bit of DIY, you can make budget-friendly garlands, wreaths, and even snowflake decorations from materials you already have at home. Repurposing fall decor can also be a huge budget saver. Now, one of my favorite tips is to use nature itself. Pine cones, branches, and even dried oranges can make your home feel winter ready, while keeping things budget-friendly. These natural items add texture and a cozy vibe without any extra cost. Winter decor doesn't have to cost a lot. Just a few clever touches can make a huge difference. With these tips, you can have a seasonal setup that's beautiful, cozy, and easy on your budget.